How do you get a personal hotspot on the iPad? Let me talk about it and explain it from all of the different angles. Let's get started. And if you're new here, subscribe so you never miss anything important. Okay, so the iPad might be a Wi-Fi only model or a Wi-Fi and a cellular. If it's a cellular model, it means that it can connect to a SIM card, so you can either physically insert one or sign in with the eSIM. And this is going to give you the ability to get in touch with the cell towers and your carrier and essentially access the internet even without Wi-Fi. Same just like on the iPhone. And if you have that type of iPad with an active eSIM and a data plan, you will have the ability to set up a personal hotspot the same way as on the iPhone. So you would go to your settings, cellular, and you would just enable the personal hotspot and a toggle on the allow others to join button, which means that your iPad is going to send the signal, right? It's just like a Wi-Fi router and other people can connect to it. But as I say, most iPads, I believe, do not have it. Like, obviously, you need to have a specific cellular enabled iPad with an active eSIM and a data plan. If you would just like to connect to the iPhone's hotspot, well, if you have it set up actively on your iPhone, like just like I've shown you right here, then you can go to the iPad's settings and go to the regular Wi-Fi menu where you are connecting to Wi-Fi's, and you should be able to see your phone somewhere in the list of available networks. So it's going to have like a different icon most likely because it's a personal hotspot and not an actual Wi-Fi router, but that's how you can get the personal hotspot if you want to connect to it. So that's how it works. Outside of that, we don't have any other options with it. So if you have further questions, leave them below, but I'm going to wrap it up right now. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll talk to you later in the future uploads.